Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how we can make rule tiles in Unity. Right now I have the tiles that I need in Sprite. If you don't know what Sprite is, it's a program to make pixel art and you can get it for free if you compile it yourself. I also made some grass tiles for decorating the map, but they aren't necessary for the rule tile. To export this, go to File, then Export As, and click Export. Here I imported the sprite to Unity. The first thing we need to do is change the sprite mode to multiple. I will change pixels per unit to 16 because my tiles are 16 by 16 pixels. Then make the filter mode point and no compression. If you don't do that, the images will get blurry. Apply the changes and open the sprite editor. Now we have one big sprite and we want to slice it into multiple sprites. For that, click Slice and set type to grid by cell size, and I will make it 16 by 16 again. Click Slice and the tiles are ready to make the rule tile. Don't forget to apply, by the way. After that, go to your assets, right click and go to create 2D tiles and select rule tile. I will name it grass rule tile. Here, just select a default sprite and set the number of rules. I think I will need 46. Now let's select our first sprite. It is empty only on the right bottom corner, which means there will be tiles around it except for the right bottom tile. So we can click the tiles that should exist once. This will put a green arrow. If you click twice, it will put a red X, and that means there can't be a tile there. If you click again, it will reset. So these are the rules. If you click the gray button in the middle, it will say rotated. Let me show you what that means in the sprite editor. For example, here I have 4 different sprites that are just the rotated versions of each other. Instead of painting each tile and making the rules for them one by one, you could also just make one of them and change the mode to rotated. I don't like doing that because I find it a bit too boring when all tiles have the same sprite. I paint them all with some differences, so it has a bit more variety. After that, we can select the next sprite. This one is empty on the whole bottom side, but we can't put the red X on the whole bottom side because it is still possible that there is a tile on the bottom right or left corner. It's a bit hard to explain, but just remember that you should put the red X when there is a single corner which is empty, and if a whole side is empty, then you put the red X in the middle and the corners stay without a rule. Now I have made all of the tiles and we can start painting the map. For that, go into the scene, right click and go to 2D object, tile map and rectangular. Then go to window, 2D and the tile palette. Right now we need to create a new palette, so just do that. Then drag the rule tile into the palette, select the tile map and the brush tool, and you can start painting the map. Let's finish the map by adding our decoration sprites to the palette as well. I want the orange sprite to be under the grass tiles and the grass to be above the grass tiles. So let's make 2 new tile maps. Tile maps with the grass rule tiles will have 1 as the order in layer because it is in the middle. The decoration grass sprites tile map will have 2 as the order in layer because it is on top, and the other tile map will have 0. On that tile map we can paint the orange sprites, and on the tile map with the order in layer 2 we can paint the grass and flowers. And now our map is complete. This was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future.